Hey guys, welcome to TechVet TV. In the previous chapter, we mainly learned the importance and understanding about building a personal brand on social media. Today, in this chapter 2, you're mainly going to be learning about the importance of optimizing your profile. Why is it important to optimize your profile? Because with the power of optimizing your profile, your audience can actually start knowing you for who you are. So, step number 1 is you choose a platform, be it Instagram, be it LinkedIn, be it Twitter, be it Pinterest, be it YouTube, any platform. Once you identify choosing a platform, then you ask yourself, what is it that you actually want to be known for in front of your audience? Let's take an example of my own profile. On LinkedIn, on Twitter, on Instagram, on any platform, I am known for a content marketer and a personal branding expert. So I have actually created keywords related to that in my entire profile on social media. Hence, step number 1 is extremely important to understand your headlines and understand your who and what. Number 1. Step number 2 is, be it any platform, you have to write a story like an About Us section which explains to your audience about your journey, your professional experience, your purpose, your passion, what you're actually looking at doing in the next few years, because people will first read about your story and then send you a DM. Moving on, you have to have a profile picture which is a very professional headshot. Do not have selfies, do not have pixelated pictures, do not have pictures which have a bad background. Focus on having a professional headshot because that profile picture will actually be your logo. Moving on, it's important to understand the kind of content you create should resonate with you. You have to put out content related to your keywords. Remember, I spoke to you guys about me being a content marketer and a personal branding expert. You find me on any platform, I will only create content around these areas. Next, and the most important thing is updating your work experience in your LinkedIn or anywhere, which is ensuring to tell your audience about the kind of experience and the work experience you've had in the past, because people always want to know your past experience. Hence, it's extremely important to optimize your profile in a way at the end of it, when people are seeing your profile, be it on any platform, they should instantly be able to take action on you, because guys, remember, attention span of humans is only 6 to 7 seconds. Hence, you need to make your profile in such a way which is actionable, number 1, where people are actually knowing you for who you are and sending you a DM for your services. I hope this session and this chapter has helped you understand the importance of optimization of your profile. So guys, in case you have any kind of questions, please add a comment here. You can reach out to us. Thank you very much.